Ready, start. That the respondent Ankit Ashok Jalan filed writ petition before the High Court challenging the aforesaid detention orders against his father Ashok Kumar Jalan and his brother Amit Jalan detainees dated 1/7/2019. It was mainly contended on behalf of the original writ petitioner that despite the detainees already being in judicial custody, the detaining authority rendered the detention orders and there being no imminent possibility of their being released on bail nor any material relied upon therein to raise an apprehension that they may be so released in the near future, since no bail application was pending, the same are ex facie illegal and without any basis. Full stop para. It was further contended that the relied upon documents have not been perused by the detaining authority in as much as the retraction petition of the said Anand, which is a vital document, has neither been placed before the detaining authority nor considered by it in accordance with law. The document purported to be a copy of the retraction petition in respect of the said Anand placed at serial number 30 of the list of relied upon documents is actually the latter's bail application, and thus the subjective satisfaction is some erroneous representation as mandated and guaranteed by the constitution and by law. Full stop para. The writ petition before the High Court was opposed by the detaining authority. Full stop. It was requested not to entertain the writ petition at this stage since the detainee representation were pending consideration before the advisory board. Full stop. On merits, it was submitted that there was cogent material before the detaining authority to arrive at the subjective satisfaction that the detainees were likely to be released from judicial custody and that there was likelihood of their continuing to indulge in the prejudicial activities. It was also submitted on behalf of the detaining authority that all the relevant documents were supplied to the detainees. Full stop. That by the impugned judgment and order, the High Court was quashed and set aside the detention orders mainly on the ground that there was a clear lapse and failure on the part of the detaining authority to examine and consider the German and relevant question relating to the imminent possibility of the detainees being granted bail while recording its subjective satisfaction and passing the detention orders. Full stop para. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court quashing and setting aside the detention orders, Union of India through the detaining authority has preferred the present appeal. Full stop. As observed here in above, even the original writ petitioner has also approached this court against the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court. Full stop para. I welcome you all to the joint sitting of the two houses of parliament. Full stop. We have all recently celebrated the festivals of Pongal, Bihu, Lohri, Makar Sankranti and Vasant Panchami. Full stop. For us, the Republic Day is also a major festival. Full stop. The presence of heads of states and governments of 10 ASEAN festivals countries during this year's Republic Day celebrations added a special dimension to our vision of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Full stop. 2018 is an important year for realizing our vision of a new India. Full stop. I am confident that people's representatives present here who have come from different parts of the country would play an active role in accelerating this great journey for the development of our nation. Full stop. Honorable members, the architect of our constitution, Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar used to say that political democracy cannot survive without social and economic democracy. Full stop. Guided by this fundamental spirit of the Constitution and committed to the welfare of weaker sections, my government is working towards strengthening social justice and economic democracy and to assure ease of living for the common man. Full stop. Perhaps no one had imagined that construction of toilets could also contribute towards social justice. Full stop. Construction of toilets not only protects their dignity but also fosters a feeling of social justice in women. Full stop. The movement for social justice is becoming widespread day by day. Full stop. It is our collective responsibility to pay a befitting tribute to Pujya Bapu. Full stop. By making the country Swachh by 2019 when we celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Full stop. Here in this house there are many like me who are for years have seen women collecting firewood for cooking.